Good morning, Fraser here with Elegant Auto Sales. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2012 Ram 1500 Outdoorsman HEMI. We're going to do the outside, we'll do the inside condition and features. I'll pop the hood, let you take a look at the engine. We'll turn it over, let you see the dash and all the lights. Then we'll go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. But first I'm just going to get outside condition, whatever features there may be. Then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. We literally just got this one in, so it still needs to be detailed, shopped, all of those things, so keep that in mind. But this is a super nice truck. Truly is. As you can see, it has the rear tinted windows, the running boards, the aftermarket rims and tires. Squeezing around a car here. But as you can see, I'm getting both angles for you as well, so you can see condition for yourself. Big reason why we love doing these videos. Saves a bunch of time on both sides, and you have a really good idea of what you're coming in to see. But as you can see, it has the dual exhaust there, the tow pack. Like I said, we just got it in, so there's a couple of little things they still need to do to it. Spray and bedliner. We've already gotten, so when they put the pictures on the website, we just got so many inquiries on it that I figure I just better get the video walk around done of it. We'll get down here on tire size here in just a moment. Hopefully you can see that. These are dang near new, if not new. We'll get to the inside condition and features here in just a moment. But like I said, this is a nice truck. All right, let's get to the condition on the inside. As you can see, it has the blinkers there in the mirror, heated mirrors. We got the power windows, power locks. Have the power seat there. It has the Ram rubber floor mats all the way around as well. It's a nice feature. Don't see any rips, tears, or stains. A little bit of stuff on the seat, but again, it still needs to be detailed, so just keep that in mind. Got the power slider there, and rear air, and those rubber floor mats. Those are a great add, in my opinion, on any vehicle. All right, let's get some features up front here. Steering wheel controls. There's some mileage there, really low miles, like I said, for the year. Stock stereo, 4-wheel drive. Got the factory tow, factory assist, all of that stuff. There's that there, and there's for the power slider up there. But let's take a look underneath the hood, see what we got. Let's see how dirty it is. Like I said, hasn't been detailed yet. Holy smokes. Well, folks, I say this in my videos all the time. I am far from mechanically inclined, but I like getting this in here the best I can for you. Chances are, if you're looking at this one, you've seen a few others, so you have an idea of what you're looking for. Now, all of our vehicles, they get plugged in, diagnosed, safety inspected, all of those things, so keep that in mind. And I would encourage anybody to check out Better Business Bureau or Google reviews. We hold an A+ with Better Business, and well, our Google reviews speak for themselves. Both fobs there. See if I can't find the ignition. Let's turn it over. Alright, let's get back here. Let's see here. Trying to get back to the miles. Oh, there we go. There's the mileage there. As you can see, no check engine lights, nothing like that. Everything works great in this. Driving it over here to get it ready for the video walk around. It's a nice driver. Here, I'll do this too. Let's push on that and see what happens. All right. Here it is, purring along beautifully. Hopefully this helps answer some questions. If there is anything I may have missed, or you'd like me to come out, take photos, shoot another video walk around, whatever we can do to help, we're happy to do it. Just give us a call or a text. I want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. See you next time.